So I've got all the bottom of the door fixed. New panel welded on the bottom. And I'd gotten quite a ways into it before I realized this was here. So everything's done on the door now, except this. So what I'm gonna do is I don't want to, the outer skin appears to be in really good shape. So I'm not gonna cut into it. I'm just gonna grind this edge off here, just to the edge of the rusted area. And then I'm gonna make a little piece to go in here. And then I'll weld that piece in. And then I'll just make a strip. I'll just make a little, just a strip of metal that's this shape. And I'll just weld it along the edge of the door skin. And I gotta be careful here because this is a fairly narrow area of the door. And it's really close to where the window frame is. So if I put a lot of heat in this area when I'm welding, it's going to shrink this zone here, and it's going to cause that, it could cause that window frame to tip out. It'll create a bend. It'll shrink this area. This will stay where it is, and that the door will, frame will tip out. So I got to be careful there. I might even put a block here and somehow put a cable over this or something, just to give it some tension so it can't go anywhere. I'll have to think about that. Anyway, time to proceed. I'm just in the process of opening up this repair section here where the rust was, and you know, it's kind of hard to get tin snips in there. So what I'm doing, I'm just grabbing pieces of metal here and bending it until it breaks off. I cut out this portion from here to here, like along here with the zip disc. Made a little mistake there. I cut into the outer skin, so I'll just put a little weld across that, clean that up before I put the patch in. But yeah, just going in here like this with the little vice grips. Here's a piece right here. I want to get rid of that, so I'll tighten up the vice grips a bit more. So I want to get rid of this piece right here. Grab that. Oh, there we are. Grab that and it breaks off pretty nice. Nice and straight. And I'll get this piece here too. I think I might have to go a little further in on that. Looks pretty weak there, so I'll just grab this right here. That feels like better metal. Of course, it's still attached to the return here. Grab it a little further down. Could use a die grinder for this, but I don't feel like, my compressor's over in the house garage. I don't feel like walking over there to turn it on. I don't have one set up out here yet. There's a spot weld right there, so I'm just going to leave that. So I'll clean this portion out of here, and I'll start making the patch.